Introducing the new Mountz error-proofing bit socket tray, the smart way to eliminate fastening errors and boost productivity. With every bit or socket change, the system automatically sets the correct torque preset. No manual input by the operator. No guesswork. Seamlessly integrated with your Mountz DC controller, in the master mode, the intelligent tray recognizes the bit selected and applies the matching preset torque or program instantly. The bit tray can also be set to inform the operator the correct bit to be used based on the preset selected on the controller. This is the slave mode. By eliminating manual selections, you reduce operator error, improve cycle time, and ensure consistent quality across workflows. Whether you're assembling electronics, aerospace components, or medical devices, this tray helps streamline operations, increase throughput, and enforce standardized processes before allowing assembly to proceed. The Mountz error-proofing bit socket tray. Faster, smarter, error-free. Contact Mountz to learn more or request a demo.